Let us do unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here is the package purchased from Omantel, and this is the first look of the box itself. Let me open the seal here. And now the unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have got a 1 terabyte iPhone 14 Pro Max in white color. Here is the phone. So this is the lightning cable. As usual, I was expecting USB-C, but one side is USB-C, another side is lightning. Then the Apple sticker, physical SIM slot opener, and that's it. There is no charger, as Apple stopped providing charger with iPhone since 2020, since the iPhone 12 was launched. So here is the phone look, first phone look. Apple claims that iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max is designed for the durability, with the ceramic shield, which is tougher than any smartphone glass today. It has a surgical grade stainless steel, and the surgical grade stainless steel lasts for many years. On the other hand, life of iPhone is 5 years if you don't break it accidentally. Now let me turn on the phone. Swipe up to get started. I'll choose language English and country or region Oman, and I'll set up this manually. So choose the setup manually and continue. And now I'll connect to Wi-Fi. Depending upon the internet speed, it will take some time to activate the new iPhone. Data and privacy, this is the agreement which it shows on the screen. Now I'll configure the Face ID later. I'll skip this step and I'll set up the passcode. Whether you want to set up this as a new iPhone or bring the data from other iPhone or Android device. Now I'll be moving my data from Android to iOS. So I'll show you that how it has to be done. So here is my Android device and here is my iPhone. So first of all, I'll be running a wizard in iPhone and set up this, continue. The same wizard that I run for the first time when I start the phone. I'll skip for the Face ID, and here you can see the option that it shows me. These are all the options, so I'll be choosing move data from Android. So for this purpose, I will need to install Move to iOS app. So I'll be installing Move to iOS in my Android phone. Now the app is installed, so I'll be running the wizard here and agree to continue. Here I'll be continuing it. It will give me one-time password or one-time code. So I'll be entering this one-time code in my Android device so that it can pair. So you can use the cable or it can be connected through Wi-Fi. So now once you are connected, both sides it is paired. Now you can see on Android device, it will show you that which type of data you want to transfer. So these are all the type of applications which are having the data. So messages, contacts, calendar, Google account, photo library, and so on. So I'm using Google account for contacts and calendar. So I'll be using Google account. I'll disable calendar and contacts here. And messages and Google account I will be transferring. Photo library I'll be transferring. I'll allow the access to it. Display settings, and then of course WhatsApp. I want to make sure that all the WhatsApp is transferred. So this is the setup wizard for the WhatsApp. When you want to transfer the messages from WhatsApp to iOS, so you need to run this wizard. But make sure do not install any app on your iPhone, on your Apple device, and run this and transfer this through the wizard only. Depending upon the data that you have in your existing device, in your Android device, it might take longer to transfer the data. In my case, it took 8 hours to transfer entire data from Android device to new iOS device. I have created another video where I have explained you step by step complete wizard of transferring the data from Android device to iOS. Don't forget to give the feedback in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Press the bell icon to get the notification.